Hey guys, I'm back at the river. Gonna have another night of cooking. We've got onions, we've got potatoes, we've got butter. And here we've got bell peppers, 2 bell peppers, we got some shrimp, and we got some family size smoked sausage.
I'm just cutting them up a little smaller than I normally do. What are you saying? Because my bald head, I don't look good on your video?
Yep.
I mean, that's what it sounded like to me, Jeff.
Yep, that's it.
That's what I figured.
Well guys, that looks like a lot of food. Big old piece of foil right there. Don't make them. Don't spill all that food. Oh yeah, that is a pile of food right there. It may cook down though. So we're putting butter in there. I don't know if we got enough butter, so we're gonna add some cooking oil to that. The seasoning we're gonna use is Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning.
Slap your mama!
Oh yeah. Bunch of seasoning on there. Now he is just rolling those edges up and crimping them. The idea is to hold all that steam in there, right?
Yep.
And then we're going to put more foil on there because there's so much food. We want to make sure our foil don't bust open. Alright, now we're going to let it cook. Got some hog tracks down here. Butter pouring out the side, or the grease or something. See those coals? That is a hot fire. That bird I got on camera flying across just now, there's an owl. See if Barry can call that thing up. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Just look at that. No way that's not gonna be good. Got some chompers, as Tyler calls them. I wish there was something that I could think of that I've gotten from a restaurant to compare this to, but I don't know that I've ever had anything like this at a restaurant. It's very, very good. Well guys, this food is excellent. Thanks for watching.